So for exporting contents from HitFilm, what you can also do is create custom presets. So for that, you need to go around over here onto the export tab right here. And once you go around over here, you can see that presets is an option right here. So if I were to go around over here, then what happens is that you can see that new preset is an option. If I were to go around and click on new preset right here, then you can choose what you want the preset to be for. So I'm just going to go around and say MPZ4 right here, just like this. And once you do that, you can see that you can rename out the preset to be whatever you like. So I'm just going to go around and say tube right here, just like this. And then over here, you can change around the properties according to how you want. Let's say, for example, you can go around and change around the target bit rate right here. Let's say, for example, let's say it's going to be 50 megabytes per second right here, just like this. And target bitrate will be 50 and max bitrate should be 100 right here, just like this. Now let me just go around and the target bitrate should be, let's say, 20 right here, and the max bitrate should be 25 right here. So I can go around and set these out, as you can see. So I can go around and make it a constant bitrate or a variable bitrate, as you can see. But variable is much more better for space saving, although it takes a bit of time for rendering. Over here, you can change around the audio quality as well, as you can see right here. And you can change the sample rate from source, or you can just go around and choose your own sample rate as well. So you can see that these are the audio option right here, and depending on the preset that you select right here, the base preset, what happens is that you get different options over here. So this is the codec that's used right here. Dimensions, you can go around and change it out to, let's say, for example, a much more lower. Let's say, for example, says 720 by, let's say, for example, over here, I'm going to go around and unlock this and type in 720 by 480 right here, just like this. So I can go around and type this in, as you can see right here. So now that is what you have, as you can see, or you can use the from source as well and utilize everything. You can go around and then keep the aspect ratio and keep aspect ratio by expanding or centering out and so forth, by cropping and so forth. And you can even go around and set out the frame rate according to how you want. And let's say I'm going to set this to, let's say, 8 frames per second right here, just like this. So once you go around and do that, you can go around and press OK, and the preset is added in over here in the user preset. So you can see that you can set out the preset according to how you want. So now what you can do is you can simply go around and export it and then add it to queue right here. And I'm going to say in an out area, and over here on the queue area, you can see the ready sign right here. So now you can go around and select out the user preset tube right here, and you can press the start exporting button right here, and you can see that it is getting ready to export right here. And what happens is that it'll simply go around and then export out the preset right here. But it is actually exporting the top one because that is actually the first video right here, just like this. So I'm just going to go around and suspend the exporting right here, just like this. So this is suspended, as you can see right here. So I'm simply going to remove the task, and I'm going to go around and start exporting this one right here, just like this. So that is what you have, as you can see, and it has been exported. And then this is what you have, as you can see right here. So it has been exported as the editor. So now, based on the setting, you can see that this is the video that you have right here. And that is how you can make and utilize custom export preset inside of HitFilm to export out the contents in the format that you like. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe